And I'm going to use this hose right here. One's going to be for the sink and one's going to be for the wash machine. I took this to Home Depot and just fitted everything. So that goes into that, drops it down to this. That way I can put a connector on. This is an inch or a half inch. So that's an inch, then half inch to 3/8, and that way I can put the faucet into this fitting right here. And this whole application, this fitting is the only fitting that's gonna get Teflon tape. So let's get together. Because everything else has a washer. And this has a washer as well. Washer. If it has a washer, you don't need Teflon tape. Because I don't want to finger tighten it. This thing is moving around. So I'm gonna cut it off just so I can tighten it better with my pliers. Make sure the water's off. This may drip a little bit, so you should have a water pan. And then this is gonna be for the faucet. Make sure the washer's in there. I'm prepping it. I'm gonna put it on like this, just so it's easier to, if she ever has to shut it off. You're not tight enough not to strip it. It is brass and copper. This to ensure it's watertight. Okay, washers in there. Do it this way. I just want straight, so I don't cross thread anything. Hold that like this. Just on the copper part. This isn't leaking. I don't see no leaking. I think that part's leaking. But that's to the washing machine. Need another washer. That's all. No, I'm just kind of getting a picture of everything. And nope, no leaking. It's hot and cold water.